Introducing our plasma cutter with a ventilated table measuring 3 by 1.5 meters. Our cutter stands out with its sturdy, reliable and robust design, appreciated by customers cutting large and heavy sheets. The gantry is based on double aluminum profiles designed specifically for building very precise CNC devices. Full synchronization of movement in the X and Y axis ensures parallel movement of the gantry. A clearance of 240 mm allows for cutting profiles up to 200 mm high. Ball transfer units will facilitate the loading of the sheet onto the working table. The flap activator ensures optimal ventilation during work. Take care of safety thanks to numerous emergency switches and light curtains. The THC system extends the life of the torch and consumables, detecting the shape of the sheet and automatically adjusting the cutting height. The ACS system prevents collisions and protects your torch from damage. The AMS system automatically corrects data about the position of the sheet on the table. You will save time, material and reduce waste. The joystick included in the kit greatly simplifies the process of large sheets, eliminating the need to stand at the desk. The SFS system allows you to prepare the controller for work in less than a minute. On the desktop, you will find installed software that will help you design and create all the necessary parts. Missed some information about the machine operation? No problem. Otinus Academy is a constantly developing e-learning platform created for Otinus brand customers. By purchasing a machine, you gain years access to online courses, allowing you to effortlessly train a new employee or refresh your knowledge from the training. After consultations with our regular customers, we are confident that we understand your needs. Don't wait weeks and months for a response. You won't be left alone. What sets us apart from the competition is our efficient service and constant contact with customers. We will tailor the training to your needs so that you are fully satisfied with the development of your business. We provide comprehensive support not only from the first phone call, but also long after the purchase. Visit otinus.com and check out our offer.